everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be making this cute little garden sign just in time for Mother's Day. For this project, I will be using this sign that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and some permanent vinyl in white. Let's get started in Design Space. I'll start out by bringing in a square. The sign I'm using today is a 6x6. I'll just change this to white so we can see the writing. Now I can add in the text. This sign is for Mother's Day, and my mom is a big gardener, so it's going to say Grandma's Garden. Next, I'll change the font. I'll click on Bookmarks. And let's go with BFC Autumn Harvest. I'll make that a bit bigger. Now let's spruce it up. I'll click on Images. I'm not sure exactly what I want to use just yet, so I'll browse through the Decorative Elements category to find something that fills the space a bit more. There are all sorts of options here, but I think I'll go up and click on Flourishes. I like this leaf design, so I'll click on that and add to canvas. Now I'll just resize the leaves and position these a little better. I want both of these to be cut out together, so I'll highlight both layers, then click on Attach. I think I'll just make this a little bit smaller. I don't want my machine to actually cut out the square, so I'll click on the eyeball here to hide it. Now I can press Make It. I'll be cutting on a mat, continue, and I will be using permanent vinyl. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. I'll stick it down to a green mat. I'll use my brayer to stick the vinyl down smoothly to the mat. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Now I can place the design into position. And I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down really well. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. This sign is done and ready for Mother's Day. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.